Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that can literally make or break your videos, the opening shot. You've only got a few seconds to grab your viewers' attention, so how do you make sure they stick around? Let's get into it. First things first, your opening shot is your handshake, your first impression. It needs to be compelling. Forget those slow, boring fade-ins from black, unless there's a very specific artistic reason for it. Instead, hit them with something dynamic right away. This could be a dramatic drone shot, a quick-cut montage teasing what's to come, or a close-up on an intriguing detail. The goal is to immediately create a question in the viewer's mind. What is that? Where is this going? How did they do that? If you can make them curious, you've won the first battle. Let's look at some examples. If you're making a travel video, don't start with a shot of you packing your bag. Start with the most breathtaking view from your trip. A sweeping vista of a mountain range, or the bustling energy of a city street. For a cooking tutorial, maybe start with a super satisfying slow-motion shot of syrup, pouring over a stack of pancakes, not a shot of your empty bowl. You want to show the reward, the after picture, to get people invested in seeing the process. Another powerful technique is starting in media res, which is just a fancy way of saying in the middle of the action. Jump right into the most exciting part of your story. If you're documenting a DIY project, maybe start with the moment something almost goes wrong, then rewind to show how you got there. This creates immediate tension and hooks the viewer. They'll want to see how the situation resolves. So a strong opening isn't just about a pretty picture. It's about telling a micro-story in a single moment. It sets the tone, establishes the quality of your work, and promises the viewer that their time will be well spent. So, next time you're in the editing bay, spend a little extra time on those first 5 seconds. Scour your footage for that one perfect shot that grabs attention and refuses to let go. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes to your audience retention. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tip helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. And for more editing tips to level up your videos, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you in the comments.